She is sitting near the cow. She is sitting near the cow. He is relaxing on the armchair. He is relaxing on the armchair. He checks his messages. He checks his messages. He reads the newspaper quietly. He reads the newspaper quietly. They are pointing into the distance. They are pointing into the distance. She is wiping her face gently. She is wiping her face gently. She is caring for a white sheep. She is caring for a white sheep. The boy is sitting on hay bales. The boy is sitting on hay bales. She is holding shopping bags. She is holding shopping bags. He is performing a lunge exercise. He is performing a lunge exercise. They are going for a walk. They are going for a walk. She is walking a goat outside. She is walking a goat outside. He carries a backpack for hiking. He carries a backpack for hiking. She is enjoying her self-care time. She is enjoying her self-care time. He is enjoying sitting on a rock. He is enjoying sitting on a rock. They are holding water bottles. She is feeding the chickens happily. She is feeding the chickens happily. They are running and playing together. They are running and playing together. She is holding a pair of headphones. She is holding a pair of headphones. He confidently walks on stilts. He confidently walks on stilts. He is spinning a toy top. He is spinning a toy top. She is catching the basket carefully. She is catching the basket carefully. They laugh at the funny joke. They laugh at the funny joke. She is watching the animals quietly. She is watching the animals quietly. He is standing beside the tree. He is standing beside the tree. They are walking across the field. They are walking across the field. She is smiling at the children. She is smiling at the children. He is resting under the shade. He is resting under the shade. They are talking with each other. They are talking with each other.